Hello friends, I am Upendra once again. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. The name of the channel is English Learning Kit and I all welcomes you. Today I am going to express about what I have done today from morning to evening. I am going to say about all these. So friends, let's get started. Actually today I got up early in the morning and then I finished all my morning works. Then I prepared my son to go to school. I fed him, then I prepared him, I dressed up him, then I took him to the school, I mean Anganwadi. Then I come back there, then I have my meal, and the time was then 9:30 a.m. Then I prepared myself to go to school. Then I go to school and I did my duty at school. Duty means I have some work to do at the school point, so I all finished that work and then I returned home. On the way I met a friend. I talked with him for some time. Then I go to home and I reached at 4 p.m. at home. Then I played some time with my child. Then it became 5 o'clock and then I went to market and I bought some vegetables from there. Then I returned home at 7 p.m. Then I teach my student, my son. Actually my son is of 5 years old. Now he is learning alphabet of Odia. Every day I teach him in the evening and in the morning. And now he is gradually improving in his study. I think he will do good in his study career. So friends, I don't know what you are all doing, but please utilize your valuable time in your good manner so that you will be good man in future. Don't waste your time. Time is actually very valuable thing for all of us. Time what's known for time what's known. Time always moves in his rhythm. It doesn't wait anybody. So according to the time moment, we should do our duty. We should change ourselves. If we are doing something great, then it is okay. If we are doing something wrong, then we should modify ourselves. We should be changed from bad to good, so that everybody will appreciate us and everybody will like our activities. So in our life we must do something good for us as well as for others, so that we will be benefit. Otherwise our life will remain incomplete. Actually friends, why I am making this video? You might be asking this question. Actually I am a new learner of speaking English. Actually I want to improve my speaking English and improve my fluency, so that I am making these videos. So if you are want to improve your any skill, then try like me so that you can improve your all activity, all skill, and you will be fruitful one day. So friends, don't waste your time. Let's together improve our skills so that anywhere, any places, we will be successful. In our success or loss, nobody will be responsible. For our success, we are responsible for that, and if we get success, then it is also responsible for us. So friends, don't waste our valuable time. Let's do something good. If you are student, please study hard and hard. Don't waste your time. Try to learn every subject, every topic, and if you are facing some problems, then don't forget to ask your teachers and solve your hesitation and clear your doubt by asking your teachers, your guide your parents, and those who are doing job, please be good, see good, and do good wherever you are. Improve your activity, your skills, by which everybody, I mean your boss, your seniors will appreciate you and they will thank you. And those who are not doing anything, I suggest to them that please, whatever you are doing, please do better and better so that everybody will like you, appreciate you, and thank you. That's all about. I don't want to talk much, this much for today, and I will come in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. And at last I want to say one thing, that those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and don't forget to press the all, so that you will be able to get the notification whenever I upload another new video. So friends, I don't want to talk much, this much more today. Be good, say good, and stay good. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you friends, thank you.